having a little late start today because I went to sleep late, so I woke up late. Also, my eyes are really watery. But yeah, let's get the day started. I don't know when this happened, but my sister added a gift under the tree for me. Okay, so breakfast is done. I just had some cereal. I need to go do some car maintenance thing, and then I want to cook. I want to do some car maintenance things, and I also want to run an errand. I think I want to go to the post office, send somebody something if I can figure it out. Even have the card that I want to use. Like, should I get some gas and then come back, or should I just use the card I have? I can't believe I don't have that card. I literally need that card. Okay, we're just gonna use the card I have. I've done all I had to do. The only other step that I would take to go a little further with maintaining the car is getting a rag. And kind of like wiping the insides. But we're good. I'm about to show you guys a grocery haul and I will start cooking. So this is everything. As you can tell, the bag ripped, so that's nice. First off, we have our chapati. If you watch my videos, you already know that my family is obsessed with these, and I kid you not, I think we keep those people in business, because I like every 2 weeks I gotta go over there and get some. I only got 2 this time because I don't know how much we have in the freezer, so but I was like, we always need them, so I'm gonna just grab 2 for now. While I was there, I spotted this. It's a beautiful cabbage, and I was thinking about cooking cabbage anyways because we have one in the fridge, but I was like, let me get another one so that I can make more. That's if I even have time. Next, broccoli florets. I put these in my pasta, which brings us to the next item, fettuccine pasta. I love making pasta, and I always get the Great Value brand because is there really a difference? Like, if I can get it for cheaper, I'm gonna get it for a cheaper price. So I got these mushrooms because they didn't have the sausage I like. I like the Cajun sausage, but they didn't have it. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna do broccoli and mushrooms. Speaking of broccoli, I got more broccoli florets. These are not frozen, as you can probably tell. These I'm gonna probably just cook on their own. I got some bell peppers. Bell peppers to go with the non-frozen broccoli florets. I also got some Parmesan cheese and some whipping cream because I put this in my pasta. And I always try to get Parmesan cheese rather than like mozzarella or pepper jack. Even though I like pepper jack cheese, but Parmesan in my pasta. Potatoes. I got potatoes because I made beans not a while ago, that would be weird. I made beans like 2 days ago, so I have some beans in the fridge. I'm gonna peel and cook these and put them with the beans. And then baby back ribs. I got these because my dad loved these. One time I was just like, let me get ribs, put them in the oven. I added some tomato paste to it, and since that day, like every other week, he asks me to, he doesn't even ask me to make them, he tells me to make them. So yeah, I was like, I'm gonna get these and I'm gonna make them. And that is it. That is my haul, my grocery haul. I actually do think that somebody could live off $50 of grocery a week, because all this was less than $40. All this was less than $38. And some of these things are like duplicates. Like, I got 2 of these. I got 2 chapati thingies. I got multiple broccolis. So like, you could switch the broccoli out for something else. Yeah, it's possible. But maybe only if you live by yourself, because we're a family of 5 and some of these people know how to eat, including me sometimes. Let's start cooking. I got like every single pot and every single size that we have. This is a random tip of what we've been doing. So we got mad potatoes. We got mad tomatoes. Wow, tomato. In the summertime. In the summer? It wasn't even the summer. In the beginning of fall, we got a bunch of tomatoes, right? And we took those tomatoes, we cut them up, we put them in the blender. We put them in the blender. I think my mom might have added some bell pepper to it too. And then we cooked the tomatoes. After we cooked the tomatoes, we let them like cool down overnight, and then we took them and put them in these Ziploc bags. So now we just go into the freezer, take these out, heat them up, and then cook them. So then we don't gotta worry about tomatoes and going out to buy them and cutting them and peeling them and all that. enjoyed this video. I'm gonna finish cleaning up and eat, and that is it for today's vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. I think like more people watch my videos than the people that are subscribed, so definitely change that and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.